Hi.
Hi, are you sure this course is just for 2499?
Yes, and you know this is the only course with this expertise across the world.
No way!
Yes way. Don't delay. Enroll now.
Geeks learning together.
Hi.
Hi, are you sure you can prepare for product based companies through this course?
Yes, sitting at home?
No way!
Yes way. Don't delay. Enroll now.
Geeks learning together.
Yes.
Hey, what do you mean by a self paced course?
Well, the course material is available in the form of video lectures. And there are multiple practice problems that come along as well. So, you can access all of it anywhere, anytime. And they are available to you for lifetime.
No way!
Oh, yes way. Don't delay and enroll now.
Geeks learning together.
Hello, guys. Welcome back to this amazing channel, Geeks for Geeks Practice. This is Abhinav. Today, we are going to solve the next problem of the day, which is find number. So, before start, please let me know if I'm clearly audible and visible to you all, so that we can start our session. Am I clearly audible and visible? Okay, great, guys. So, guys, the problem I did for today is find number. Let me first share the screen and share the problem with you. Great. So guys, the problem says find number. Given a number n, you need to find the nth smallest number which only contains odd digits. So basically, guys, they are saying that there is a series which contains only odd digits. So if I write the series, it will be like this. The series will look something like this: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. I hope that my screen is also visible. Okay, now 11, 13, 15, 17. So like till now you can see the series looks like simply a series of odd numbers. But if you will see after this, the next expected term should be 21. But this cannot be there because 2 is a even number. Next will be 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, and then again not 41. It starts with a 51 and 53 and so on. So you can see this is the first number, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and so on. So guys, this is how the numbers are given to you. Okay, this is how the numbers are given to you. So guys, if you will focus one thing here, if you will focus one thing here, you can see a pattern in this particular series. You will see a pattern in this series. Okay, what's that pattern? Can you get it? Guys, the pattern is, you can see key the first five numbers, then the next five numbers, then the next five numbers, and then the next five numbers, like this. The pattern is, guys, you can see that this is the first form of the number. Like if, can I say, if the number is first, it is 1. For 2, it is 3. For 3, it is 5, 7, and 9. Means for every number, you are taking the odd number present. Okay. I hope that is clear. I hope that is clear. Okay. If you will see, guys, here 6 is present. So this 6 is nothing but, I can say it like, this 6 is nothing, but I can say this 6 is 5 plus 1. So guys, I will divide every number in the form of 5, in the multiple of 5 basically. I will divide every number in the multiple of 5. So this is nothing but 0 into 5 plus 1. This is 0 into 5 plus 2. Here it is 1 into 5 plus 1. 1 into 5 plus 2. This is 1 into 5 plus 3. Sorry, plus 4. What does it mean? This 1 into 5 basically means, guys, that first digit of this number will be 1. And this plus 1 means the second digit will also be 1. Here this means 1, 2. Here it's 1, 4. If the number given to us is, let's say, 14. If the number given to us is 14. So how I can find the number corresponding to it? So I will simply say it is nothing but 2 into 5 plus 4. It is 2 into 5 plus 4. And can anyone tell me which is the second odd number? Which is the second odd number? Anyone? Which is the second odd number? And which is the fourth odd number? Can you tell me? So the odd numbers are like this: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The second odd number is 3. Second odd number is 3. Okay. And fourth odd number is 7. So the number will be 37. Simple. The number will be simply 37. Got it? So guys, this is how this will be done. So every time, guys, I will divide the number by 5 and digit at that particular number will be my answer. Okay. So see one thing. What I will do here is, I have this particular program with me. So what I will do here is that I will first take the digits which are available to us. So digits we are having is, so see, you can see, guys, for 1 the digit is 1. Why? Because if n modulus is 1, if n modulus 5 is 1, the digit I will have is 1. You can see. When n modulus 5 is 2, so which is the second odd number? 3. Similarly, for 3 it is 5. For 4 it is 7. And if n modulus 5 is 0, like the fifth odd number, digit is 9. Yeah, let's first write the code receipt. Okay, then you will get it. Okay, first let's write the code. How digits are added? Okay, how digits are added. So like what I will do here is, I will first take a answer here, which will be initially 0, and I will take them as long. And guys, I will also take here a multiplication constant, okay, which will be initially 0, which will take all the see. Let's say I'm saying that you have to create a word with digits 5, 3, and 8. You have to make a word out of it. So it is what you do. First, in your answer, you add 5. Then you multiply 5 by 10. Then you add 3. Then you again multiply it by 10. Then you add 8, like this. Or I can say first you add 8, then 30, then 500. So every time your digit is multiplied by 100, 10. So first let's write the code, then you will understand more clearly. So I will write while my n is greater than 0. Okay. Now see, guys, if my value of n mod 5 is 1, so क्या होगा आंसर? If my n mod 5 is 1, so which is the first decimal? Like I'm getting this value. This last digit. So if the value is 1, so which is the first odd number? Which is the first odd number? One. Okay. If it is 2, it is 3. If it is 3, it is 5. If it is 4, it is 7. If it is 0, it is 9. Okay. I will tell you how I am doing this thing. And every time I multiply, I will multiply it by 10. And then if my n is divisible by 5, I will divide it by 5. Else, else what I will do? Else I will divide it by 5 also. I can do something like this. See, this is the code I'm having. Okay. So as you said, take the number 37, or even instead of 37, let's take a bigger example. Okay, Rishit. Let's take the example of just give me an example to dry run. Any number you want. Like the constants we're having are till 10 to the power 12. So any number that you want till 10 to the power 12, you can tell me. Let's have that number. Let's have that number. Yeah, man, we can do that also, but that is also fine, like for the beginner friendly. Let's take 256. Let's take 256. Okay, so n is 256. So first of all, as I told you, I have to make this in the form of 5 multiply something and plus something. I have to divide it in this form. Okay, so for that, what I will do, first of all, I will take its to see what is happening is it is taking while n is greater than 0. First, find n modulus 5. So the value of n modulus 5 will be simply 1. So that means the last digit of such a number, the last digit is 1. Oh, sorry, is 1, because the first odd number is also 1. The first odd number is also 1. So currently the value of multiply was also 1. Simply 1 into 1 is multiplied and is added to answer. So 1 into 1 is added to answer. 1 into 1 is added to answer. That's all. Okay. Now the remaining part. What's the remaining part? As I told you, I have to write it in something like this. Now I have to write. So I can write this as 255 plus 1, or I can write it as 51 5 into 55 plus 1. Just like I have written all these numbers in this form, I have written this number also. Okay, got it. That is what we are doing. So now I have added this 1 in my answer. Okay, I've added this 1 in my answer, and now I will multiply my 10 into 10 for the next number, for the next digit. Okay, to add, and then I will, if n is divisible by 5, I will divide it. Otherwise, I will divide and subtract by 2. So what I will do here is I will first divide it by 5. It will look something like this, and then subtract by 150. Now my value of n will become 50. Okay, let me first like also have it here also, so that we can get the answer. I think we have done just one wrong mistake. It will be opposite, like if n is divisible, then I will divide it and subtract it by 1, because we have taken a number. Yeah. I think so. Nowadays, the compiler is quite slow, as I can see. Yeah. I just got it, man. Yeah, I just got it. Actually, see, this is why I'm like subtracting it. See, what happens, Risit, that when it's not a divisible of five. Okay. So basically, what I'm doing here is there is no need of even like subtracting this thing. Uh, uh, Wait. Let me first get the answer. Why this is not running? Okay, yeah, I've got the right answer. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Risit, why I am subtracting n? See, guys, Risit. See, when I am, देखो, अच्छा एक काम करते हैं, एक काम करते हैं. Let's make it more easy. Let's make it more easy. Can I say this thing? Can I say this thing? When I am taking n modulus 5 is equal to 1, when I'm taking n modulus 5 is equal to 1, I am considering the first odd number. When I'm taking it 2, I'm considering the second odd number, 3, third odd number, 4, four odd number. And when n modulus 5 is 0, means I'm considering the fifth modulus number. So, guys, along with this considering, I have to also subtract it from my n. Na? I have to also subtract that numbers from my n because I have considered them. The code is becoming quite complex. Like this. And then we can simply do n modulus is equal to. Okay, let me explain you. Let me explain you. What we when we have a simple number, okay, when we have a simple number, let's say, so what we do to access the digits of that number, we take its mod with 10 and then we add that value in the digit. That is what we do when we are having a simple number. But here, what is happening now? Here, digits are 5. We don't have 10 digits. So I'm taking its mod with 5 and I'm taking that particular odd digit, the first odd digit, the second odd digit, and third odd digit, like this. And see, let's say when my n was 256. Okay, so as I told you, first I have to make this 256 in the form. You can see when I was having the, let's say I have to find the 17th odd number, 17th number of the series. So I will first divide it into in this form, 3 into 5 plus 2. So this plus 2 means the last digit of this number will be the second odd number, which is 3. So 3 is present here. Now for this 3 into 5, from this 3 I will have the third odd digit, which is 5, and such that the number 53 is constructed. So every time I will take the modulus of 5, and based on that modulus I will take the digit, and then I will divide n by 5. But I will also subtract this value because I just want this particular part. I don't want this part. Okay. So what we're having is every time I'm checking if n modulus 5 is 1, so take that first odd number and subtract 1. Then take the second odd number, subtract 2, take third odd number, subtract third odd number, subtract 3, fourth odd number, subtract 4. And when we're taking fifth odd number, we have to subtract 5, not just 0. That's the thing we're having. Okay. So see, as you told us for 256, the value of n modulus 5 will be 1. So means you have to first take the first odd number, which is 1. Then n will become, simply subtract this 1 from it. It will become 255 and then divide it by 5. So it will become 51. Now again 51, again n modulus 5 will be 1. So means again 1 is added here. Again 1 is subtracted. And again it is divided by 5. 10. Now n modulus 5 is 0. So when it is 0, we take 5. And then 5 is subtracted. Then it is again divided. Oh, sorry, 9. We take 9. When it is 5, we take 9. Again divide by 5. Now n is 1. N is 1 means again add 1. And now n will become 0. Now n will become 0. So this will be your final number, which is 1911. Okay. So you can see this is how our code is running. I have just making this several condition to make it clear. Otherwise, you guys can like simply have a direct one array and you can solve the problem. It's all okay. So if you will see what we are doing, we are basically running this loop. How many number of times? We are running this loop equal to number of times equal to the number of digits in this number. And how many digits will be there? There will be log of base 5 n digits. Just like in a decimal number, we have 10 digits, so base is 10. Here we have 5 digits, so base is 5. Every time, my value of n is divided by 5. So time complexity is log base 5n. Okay, that is how it is working. So it was quite complex, but I hope that like now like you have got it. Okay, great. So guys, that's all for this particular video. I think you have got this particular solution. Okay, let's meet again next weekend with our next problem of the day. Till then, thank you. Happy coding. Take care. Bye. GFG कर लो हो जाएगा.